Hello people, I'm going to show you today my Lego house. Let's see what it looks on the inside. A few tables. And on the outside, a table and a grill. And a roof. Couldn't build it right, but still looks perfect. I got a Lego guy here. And his hair. And a sausage that goes on there. So here is my Lego home. It's very coming in handy, and this took me only like today, not a long time or anything. It only took me about like today. Let me see. There's some windows, and this opens up. So I just wanted to show you my Lego guy. He has hair too. Yeah. He has a skateboard too. And so that's my Lego home. So just wanted to show you this. Bye.